The universe is vast, mysterious, and absolutely brimming with unanswered questions. For all we've discovered, it feels like we've only just scratched the surface of what's out there. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to explore 10 of the biggest, most mind-bending mysteries that science still can't explain. Get ready, because these cosmic puzzles will make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. First up, at number 10, we have the shape of the universe. It sounds like a simple question, right? Is it flat like a sheet of paper, curved like a saddle, or closed like a sphere? Well, the answer determines the ultimate fate of everything. If it's flat or open, it could expand forever. If it's closed, it might one day collapse back on itself in a big crunch. Our best measurements suggest it's incredibly close to being perfectly flat, but even a tiny curvature could change everything. We just don't have the tools yet to measure it precisely enough to know for sure. The geometry of our entire reality is still a huge question mark. Coming in at number 9 are gamma ray bursts. Imagine an explosion so powerful it can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. That's a gamma ray burst, or GRB. They are the most luminous and energetic events known to occur in the universe, and we see them happening in distant galaxies. We think some are caused by massive stars collapsing into black holes, or by two neutron stars colliding. But some GRBs don't fit these models, and the exact mechanisms that can generate such unbelievable power are still fiercely debated among astrophysicists. At number 8, we have the mind-bending multiverse hypothesis. Is our universe the only one? Or is it just a single bubble in a vast, cosmic foam of countless other universes? Some theories in quantum mechanics and cosmology actually predict that multiverses should exist. These other universes could have entirely different laws of physics, different constants of nature, maybe even different dimensions. It's an incredible idea, but the problem is, how could we ever prove it? Finding evidence of another universe is, for now, completely beyond our reach, leaving it as one of the most tantalizing ideas in all of science. Let's move on to number 7, cosmic inflation. The Big Bang Theory is great at explaining how the universe evolved from a hot, dense state, but it has a few problems. For example, why is the universe so uniform on a large scale? Cosmic inflation was proposed to solve this. It suggests that in the very first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, smoothing everything out. It's a brilliant idea that explains a lot, but we have no direct proof it happened. What triggered this incredible hyper-expansion and what made it stop? We don't know. Now for number 6, a question that has captivated humanity for centuries, the Fermi paradox. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, many of which likely have Earth-like planets. With so many potential cradles for life, the universe should be teeming with civilizations, some far older and more advanced than our own. So, as the physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, where is everybody? Why haven't we detected any alien signals, probes, or starships? Are we truly alone? Or is there a great filter that prevents civilizations from becoming interstellar? This silent, empty cosmos is one of its most profound and unsettling mysteries. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have fast radio bursts, or FRBS. Imagine a signal from deep space, brighter than a billion suns, that lasts for only a few milliseconds and then vanishes without a trace. These are FRBS, and since their discovery in 2007, they've been one of the hottest topics in astronomy. We've traced some of them back to specific galaxies, and a few even repeat, but we still don't know what causes them. Theories range from highly magnetic neutron stars called magnetars to more exotic explanations. For now, the universe is sending us powerful, ultra-brief postcards, and we're still trying to figure out who's sending them and what they mean. At number 4, we venture into the heart of darkness itself, black holes. These are regions of space-time where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. We know they exist. We've even taken a picture of one's shadow. We know they form from the collapse of massive stars. But what happens once you cross the event horizon, the point of no return? Einstein's theories suggest you'd be stretched into spaghetti and crushed at a point of infinite density called a singularity. But quantum mechanics suggests information can never be destroyed. So what really happens inside? Physics breaks down, and we're left with a complete mystery. Entering our top 3, at number 3 is the origin of the Big Bang. We have a fantastic model for what happened in the 13.8 billion years since the Big Bang. We can trace the universe's evolution from a fraction of a second after its birth all the way to the galaxies we see today. But what about that very first moment? What was there before the Big Bang? Was there anything? What caused this singularity to suddenly explode into existence? Science can describe the how of the universe's expansion, but the why and what before remain firmly in the realm of philosophical speculation. It's the ultimate origin story, and we don't know how it begins. Our runner-up mystery, at number 2, is dark energy. In the late 1990s, astronomers made a shocking discovery. Not only is the universe expanding, but its expansion is accelerating. It's getting faster and faster over time. To explain this, scientists propose the existence of a mysterious, repulsive force that's pushing everything apart. They called it dark energy. It appears to make up about 68% of the entire universe, yet we have absolutely no idea what it is. Is it a property of space itself, a new kind of energy field, or a sign that our theory of gravity is wrong? It's a puzzle that has completely upended cosmology. And finally, the number one biggest mystery that science still can't explain is dark matter. When astronomers look at galaxies, they see that they're spinning so fast they should fly apart. The gravity from all the visible stars, gas, and dust isn't nearly enough to hold them together. There must be some extra, invisible mass providing the gravitational glue. We call this stuff dark matter. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect any light, which is why we can't see it. We know it's there because we can see its gravitational effects on everything around it. It makes up about 27% of the universe, 5 times more than all the normal matter combined. But what is it? We have built massive, sensitive detectors deep underground, trying to catch a single particle of this elusive substance, but so far, we've found nothing. It's the invisible scaffolding of our universe, and we are completely in the dark about its true nature. So there you have it, from the shape of reality to the invisible forces that govern it. The universe is full of mysteries, and science has only just begun to unravel them. These questions remind us that there is still so much more to discover. Which of these cosmic puzzles fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the biggest questions in the cosmos, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing videos every week. Thanks for watching.